Today we celebrate the United Nations Meditation Day with a unique series of 33 group meditations, 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. in every time zone, circling the globe hour after hour.
We are very happy to see so many groups from New Zealand connected. We especially welcome the participants from Eastern Siberia, Kamchatka, Solomon Islands and other island states. Great meditators in Southeastern Australia,
East Australia and Papua New Guinea.
Welcome everyone from Japan, Indonesia, Korea and some parts of Australia.
各位朋友大家早安，我们欢迎来到我们许多这个时区的许多的朋友。
Welcome to the morning meditation in Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, some parts of Russia. Welcome to the morning meditation in Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Bangladesh. Welcome to the morning meditation in India, Nepal, Pakistan, Kazakhstan. And special thank you to the many gurukuls from Nepal and to our brothers and sisters from different spiritual organizations for joining.
Welcome everyone to the morning meditation in Armenia, Georgia, UAE, Mauritius, and the evening meditation in New Zealand. Welcome everyone to the morning meditation in Turkey, Moscow, Eastern Africa, and the evening meditation in Kamchatka and Fiji.
welcome to the countries in Eastern Europe, the Middle East and Central and Southern Africa. And welcome for your afternoon meditation in Southeastern Australia.
Welcome everyone to the morning meditation for Central Europe and Central Africa, and the evening meditation in Brisbane, Northeast Australia and Papua New Guinea, to the morning meditation in West Africa, Portugal, UK, Ireland, and the evening meditation in Japan, Indonesia, Korea, and some parts of Australia. And the evening meditation in Malaysia, China, Taiwan, Philippines, Indonesia, and Western Australia.
Welcome everyone to the morning meditation in Greenland and the evening meditation in Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and part of Russia. So much now aqui do Brasil. And welcome everyone to the evening meditation in Kyrgyzstan and Bangladesh. Bienvenidos todos a la meditación de la mañana en Bolivia, Venezuela, Caribe. Welcome everyone to the morning meditation in Eastern Canada, and welcome everyone to the evening meditation in India, Nepal, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, and parts of Russia.
Welcome everyone to our morning meditation in Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Eastern USA and Canada, as well as the evening meditation in Armenia, Georgia, United Arab Emirates, Mauritius and others. Hello and welcome everyone to the morning meditation in Central America, USA and Canada, and the evening meditation in Turkey, Moscow, and Eastern Africa. The morning meditation in parts of USA, Canada, and Mexico, as well as the evening meditation in countries from Eastern Europe and Southern Africa.
Morning meditation in the West Coast of the US and Canada, and the evening meditation in all of Central Europe and Central Africa. The morning meditation in Alaska, French Polynesia, and the evening meditation in West Africa, Portugal, and the United Kingdom, as well as Ireland. From 2 ocean time zones, with the morning meditation in Hawaii and the evening meditation in the Azores and Cape Verde Islands.
Welcome to this 25th session of the World Meditation Day.
A todos, bienvenidos a todos los países de Latinoamérica que se conectan hoy para la meditación grupal global. Bienvenidos a todos, bienvenidos a los países de Bolivia, Venezuela y el Caribe que se conectan hoy para la meditación grupal.
Welcome everyone to the afternoon meditation in some places in Canada and USA.
All the countries of Central America and the central time zone of the United States and Canada. Welcome to those in mountain time in the United States and Canada, and welcome to participants from parts of Mexico.
From the west coast of USA and Canada, and I see we have special guests from Thailand. We have the students from Dhammajarani School with us this afternoon, evening for us, morning for you. Thank you so much for joining us. How wonderful. This is truly a world meditation. It's 5 o'clock Alaska. Last hour, this 33-hour global meditation.
We thank you and congratulate you for participating in creating a better world through your daily meditations.